So this is my final project, and the title of this project is called Paint the Square. And just to give you a little bit of background on this app, it is basically a game where you have, this is like a oversized version of the game piece that you have. So basically the purpose of the game is to paint all the sides of this square. And in actuality, when you go to the actual game screen, the square isn't going to be this big. And basically we're using the tilt sensor. So there's basically using the accelerometer and the magnetic field sensors in order to get the orientation of the phone. So basically that's giving you the degrees of tilt. So basically we're going to be tilting the phone this way, so this will move it to the left, this will move the piece to the right, and then if you bring it down, so that'll bring it down, and then this will bring it up. So those are the angles that we're focusing on in order to move the piece. And basically I have set in the program, basically if you tilt the phone 30 degrees, then you'll get to the edge of the border. And so in order to paint the square, you need to have the side touch the border of the phone. So I'm gonna go hit play game, and then you get this animation here. So basically showing you just covering all the sides, and then there's a paint message. So then here is the main environment here. So basically you have these black squares or black holes that are moving in a square pattern. And if I tilt the phone here, see, I'm able to move the screen up and down, move the piece up and down. And then so say if I collide with one of the black squares, then I get this dialog message saying that that you lost, basically. So then I'm gonna go back to the main screen and then hit play game. And then the purple, you can see there's also purple squares going traveling from right to left, both on the top and bottom of the screen. And so there is, what that does is you see the red border is if your piece collides with the purple, then it changes the direction where the red border is going. So if I go and move, then say I collide with it, now the red is moving in counterclockwise fashion. So if I do it again, collide with it. Okay, now it's moving. It's still moving out counterclockwise. I didn't intersect with it yet. Oh, so let me go back here. But basically, if you collide with the purple square, it's going to change the direction in which the red border is going. So I'm gonna go and just go through the process of playing the game here. So I got one side now, and then I'm gonna go to paint that side, and then we're gonna go back up here. So we got 3, almost there. And then yeah, then you win. Then basically all the sides of the square are green now, and you get this dialogue saying that you won the game. And that's basically the the going through the sequence of the game. Go back to the main screen, and then yeah, that's the final project.